Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to tell you how to deactivate Snapchat account. If you want to deactivate or delete your Snapchat account, so just follow these steps. First, open your Snapchat app and here just tap on your profile icon, tap on it, and then tap on settings in the top right corner of the screen. Just tap here and here just scroll down and look for delete account. Here's that, just tap on it, then it will open your browser. And here you just need to log in with your Snapchat account. Here first enter your username or email ID and then tap on next, and after that here you have to enter your Snapchat account password, then tap on next, and after entering your password your account will be successfully deactivated or deleted from Snapchat. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.